go online, you have two processes to follow. One is push it to GitHub. Two is set it to any CDN platform. CDN is for content delivery network. Okay, so let's go. One, we start with the GitHub. Click on this link here, GitHub. Go and create your account there. Create account. You can log in with the email, or you can create it direct. There's no problem. Let me share with you guys GitHub. GitHub is acting like what your computer online. Again, you can put all your project there so that nobody can get it. They have two options: either you make it public or private. By making it public, you allow anyone to go and search. Like here now, if I want to search for the private public repository of people, I'll just type here, maybe I'm looking for e-commerce, commerce, like this. By making it like this, it's going to search. The GitHub have billions of data there of people. You see, these guys have built e-commerce, this one. I can get their code all, like app built by Flutter. If I click on this one like this, I can have access to the application. Wait, you see, it's application for Android. And if I scroll down, implement the application, Imran, there's a person who made it. It's an Android, and this is how the application looks like. Then if I am the guy who's doing this one, they even put an example, the library, the directory structure, the config root, the model, the pages, everything. So now if I want to get his application direct to my PC, then I have to go here and click code. I will have option: either I download this one or I get the clone. I'll go and clone this one, but let's get the one that maybe we can do with the what we are doing. Let's call a React JS portfolio. We are looking for portfolio. Okay, portfolio. We are looking for someone who have a portfolio. Then we have this person here called Ubianmut is having a portfolio, simple portfolio built with the React. So I have to see it has taken how many times. You can see here it's updated on 11 January. So I can say this one is good. It's January. This one is 9 January. This one is 2023. Okay, Mossad file. Let's go with the first one just for the concrete example. I'll click on this one. Okay, now I have access to his file. What I can do, I can just go here and copy this link here. Make sure it is in HTTP, not SSL. HTTPS. Copy this one. Or if you don't want, you can just go and download this one. Maybe if you worry, you can just click on this one like this. It can download for you. You see, yes, downloading. Yes, downloading. If you want to go professional, I've copied the link already here. Let me show you how professional you can go. Click here and copy. Then go back to your code here. So I will have my code here. In my code, I have to just do directory specification because I don't want it to be mixed together with what I have here. So I have to make Ctrl+J. After, I have to restop it from running by Ctrl+C 2 times or 3 times. Okay, then I can clear my screen. I can see my directory. I'm in what? I'm in bureau here. Yours will be desktop. This is in French. So I have to cd back. Double dot like this means go out from this folder called Tech Hub with the Ali. When I click enter like this, I'm now in desktop. So I want to clone that application to desktop. What do? I type here git clone. I paste the link. Press enter. Now I'm going to clone this React portfolio. Okay, it's cloning. You can see here cloning. It's now cloning. 16%. We wait. It will also due to how many files folders they have there, and mostly it's network also. If your network is faster, it will not take even 1 minute. So mine is done. So what can I do here? I can see the name here is called React. There's the name. This one is a URL for the web for this one GitHub, and then this one is a name for that person on the GitHub username. but the name of the folder here is called react portfolio.git. So for me, I'm in my this one, my desktop. I can say here cd to react. I'll type this name just here, dash portfolio. I can press on tab to autocomplete for me, then I'll press enter. That means I'm now inside the directory, but I'm not in tech alley. This tech alley is now different, but it's just there open. So for me to open this one, for me, I have to type there code like this, code dot, press enter. When I click code, press enter, we will wait. It's going to open for me new Visual Code Studio. Then I will just close the one which is there. Now I got the project of this guy here. So how do I check it? If I click on VLC, they have some other stuff there. If I click on source, I can see all what he has. He has the pages, hooks, component. So how do I run his project and see on my PC? Control J. After Control J, let me close everything here. First of all, by getting anything from online, okay, especially from GitHub, the first thing you have to install all the dependency by putting git, not git, just add npm I. The shortcut for npm I means install, or you can just type here install double L. Or if you see here, this application, this folder of him is come with yarn. That means you can run yarn also. But if you run npm also, there's no problem, because for my this one, my VS Code, both of them can run. So if I want, I can also do yarn. For your case, you are going to run only npm I can say yarn install like this and press enter. So you can see something here, yarn is not recognized. So if that's the case, I will go with my npm. That means I have to delete this one out. Just delete this one out to avoid the problem. Then go with the npm I like this. It is recognized and it will install. It will also take some few seconds based on the dependency they have, but the dependency you can see from here, package.json here. So what it's going to do is going to download the node module. There is this node module file here. It's between public and the source. It will download. So you can see what are the dependencies we are going to develop here to install. They are here: eject, pre-deploy, and then deploy, and then npm is start. It can enable us to start our application. Npm build to build. So here's where I can know the script to run this application. Go to your package.json, then go to scripts. This will give you, if you remember, we are running npm run dev in other application that we started there, but this one is npm start. That's how I know. Then I have to wait. It will install this all dependency here. You can see here it's still installing. Let's wait. While it is installing, let's check his folders here. What did he has? Yes, the component is a component, have social icons. He was using a JavaScript, pure JavaScript, not TypeScript. You can see he's adding the favicon for Twitter handler, Facebook, YouTube, follow me. This all the code he has. Then he was using a CSS module. You can see here this type of CSS is what he's using. He's not typing CSS direct into our code like the way I'm using with the Tailwind CSS. And he has the theme log index, and then also he has the index.js. This is where the root application is going to be put. And then next, he has assets. Assets here represent where our pictures are. Go to image, images. You see, you put this picture there, you can see this this is a gift picture, animated one. And then we have this one here, and then next if you go to public, okay, public he only have this one for JS. That is about in the app. This is where the root app application goes. Scroll to top. Oh, this one is taking us time already. So first of all, go and create your account. Okay, while that one is installing, go and create your account in GitHub. Use your email. After you create, they will ask you for simple verification. Just follow, just like the way you are creating account. Okay, next steps will be you have to create your repository. Repository means create your folder that you can push your application from your desk from your PC to that folder online through GitHub. So it's going to be like this. For me, I've already have a lot of projects, almost 150 something. So here I can just click on new for my case. For your case also it's going to be new, but first create the account. After you give the name of the project you want to give. So ours is called blog. It's going to be blog. No, let's not make it blog. Let's call it Tech Hub with the Ali, like the name suggested in the WhatsApp group. Tech dash hub dash with dash Ali, like this. Then next you can just make it either private or public. So if I make it public, I can share with you guys, and someone else who knows the name of that project can get access to. If I make it private, nobody else can have access, only me. So for the case I'm going to make it public, maybe I will share with you also. Create here on the create repository. Then here my repository is created. So I'm going to use this command to push my application from my PC to GitHub. First of all, for you, okay, what you can do is you are going to click here on this icon. You need to sign in with your GitHub that you have just created. Sign in with the email and the password. After, when you hover, we show you the name here. After, let's go and open the other one here. Take Hub with the Ali. I want to open in different windows so that the other will be installing for us there. So we'll open these ones separately. Okay, we have two different. This one here, we have this one here as our project, and remember the other one is also working. I did not isolate it. So this is Tech Hub with Ali, if you can see from here. So my terminal will be here. The first of all is, what am I going to do? I have these commands here. That command is going to help me to push them online. So these are the command. The first thing say git init, means initialize. To add, but for them I'm not gonna follow it all. I'm just going to copy this one, and the rest I will type it from my side because I've mastered them already. It's easy, but you can follow that one, the one which is there. So it's going to be like this. My terminal is still loading because I have two project open in different files. So activating extension. Let's wait. You can reopen it twice and see the cursors here already. Control plus. Let me try to zoom. I think like this my screen will be good so that I can see everything well. The Control B to hide the other side, but okay, like this. So the first thing I can do, git add. I want to add everything into a git. So let me first open this sidebar so you can see where git file is going to be created. Okay, so here after the first step, git add, I'll press enter. You see, let's wait. You see, warning, the package copy of git global css will be replaced. Yes, this is what it will be saying. It's adding this on all, because you can see here there is a numbers of what of committed stuff we used to have, but it has to be add all into a git. So you can see package json will be replaced by crlf next. Don't worry about anything here. If you see red here, that's error, but if you don't see red, don't worry. You first need to wait. After, you will see everything turn green, especially the folders, all they are green. That means they are initialized inside a git. Okay, and this command will not work if you don't have git installed into your PC. That's the first thing, is very important. So it is done already. Now I have to commit the changes that I have just made now. So I have to type here git commit space dash m double quote space double quote. Inside double quote you put a message. You see there are 30 changes which is being added to application, so I want to commit them. So what do? I just type the commit here. I can say maybe add my files or folders even. This message doesn't matter, type anything which is good for you, okay, but let it be at least in present tense. Then press enter and wait. You will see, yes, 30 is going to change later. When it goes all out, then everything is successfully committed. So you can see, yes, calculating, everything seems to be okay. You see, there is nothing remain here. That's the good thing. Next, how do I add it? I'll just paste the link that I've copied. Git remote add origin. Press enter and wait. That means I'm saying what? You add all these folders of mine here, take up all application inside this remote git remote origin, the one we have just created up there. It's called take up with ali.git. So it's added. So how do I push it? Git push -u origin, like this, origin main. Press enter. You will see here and fail to push some brief to this one. Okay, they don't know which branch, so I have to go back to my instruction here. So I have to define the branch. So I can say here git branch main. I have to add this one to my terminal. That means I have to come back here. I can just type here git branch m main. Like this, it will know my branch. Good. Now I have to paste my my link, the other one, this one, git remote add. I'll just press enter now. If it is failed, already exists, no issue. Go copy it again, then you are going to change only one thing and it will work perfect. Copy this one again, this line, then come back here. The first thing, paste this one, then use your arrow key, move your cursor up to here where you have the word add here. Remove the word add, make it set -url, then press enter. By doing this, everything will be committed, and then we wait. You see, now everything did not send any error. Now make git push -u origin main. Now I'm pushing it to main because I made branch. Okay, the term push did not recognize. It's git, sorry, it starts with git push -u origin main, like this. Make sure you read the errors very well. If you run away from the error, you will not understand what is going to happen next. You'll just give up. Make sure you read it and then what they are meaning, then just make correction on it and it will work. So like this, we wait and see whether it will push or not. Pushing it depends also on the network. You see mine is pushing. You will just wait until it will show you done, but you can see here something say done already. Done, total 66, delta reuse what. But if you see error red something like this, then it's not gone. So you just wait until it will give you the final link where your application are deployed. So you just wait and be patient. Are you guys following?
Sure.
Okay. So let's refresh our link here, whether it's come or not. Click here, refresh. You can see still not upload. We can just wait until it's verified from our site here. Still pushing. And then let's see our old installation here. Like our installation for that project has done. So let's cls the screen. Let's make npm start. Remember it was not run there because I've checked the script. So let's leave it here while it is trying to run. Let's go back here and see our deployment. We wait for our deployment and that one. Let's go and see what's the minute remaining here. It's 4. Okay, let's hope the 4 will be enough. Very good. Now you can see our deployment has happened already. You can even see here this word here, branch main set up to track origin main. If you see this one here and this link, congratulations, you have already deployed. So now if you want to copy this one, or you click on it, or you just go back here and refresh it. Refresh this one here, refresh like this. Refresh it. You can see our application is already up, but it's not going to run now. We have to do one more step. So the first thing is how to add it to the GitHub. You can see if I go to app, you can see everything here, the blog, everything. But we cannot type something like blog dot something to see it live. No, tomorrow will be that part. So the first challenge will be tonight is what, how to create a GitHub. After created GitHub, create a new repository. Copy that command, follow and deploy your application from your PC to app. And now I can be able to share with you my code even just simply by copy the link like this, send to the group. You will just go and click like this and then download. You can have my code with you, exact code I have, exactly what you will have also. But the condition will be you must have this one, GitHub account first of all, in order to access that one. So I'm going to send you this link also to my application. Okay, and then next, I think our life is ending also. How many seconds? 2 minutes. Okay, let's see the other one. Is it up or not? This one is done. Close that one. Next will be here, successfully run. Let's go and check. 300. Click on this one. Navigate to see that portfolio we have downloaded from internet. So in that 1 minute, I'm sure we can manage everything. Okay, the portfolio is loading. Have you guys seen? Hello.
Yeah.
See, that's what we have. My portfolio. That's what that guy just built. And you guys can do the same by cloning my application. Do something on it, and then click on those one about me. Takes you there. Everything. So that's how easy it is. And then I think the challenge is easy, and that's all.